Yeah, and then I did ask with ChatGPT, I did ask for some suggestions, so I will implement those. And then, sir, that video should convert in the Netherlands because I will make it in the Dutch language. And maybe if it is good, we can do one other one in maybe German language or English. I don't know.
Yeah. I am also thinking about targeting people country-wise and language-wise. It's very much important.
Yeah, because for the Netherlands I can make Dutch, and for Germany we can make maybe German language, and then we do one general one in English, and with that English one we can target all the countries.
All the country, yeah.
Because you have also people who speak English in every country, so they have an English profile. Yeah, once that is finished, I really want my neighbor. So he is living 2 houses from further than me. He just made 2 days ago. He made for the very first time he made advertisement, and yesterday it was already converting. So while it's still learning, it's learning and it converts already. He was like, "What the fuck is happening?" He was really stumped. He was like, I get money, I get leads. What's happening? Why is this happening? Yeah, he couldn't understand, sir. And I was like jealous, and I was thinking, what are we doing wrong? You understand?
Yeah.
So something goes really wrong.
What
And
was
sir,
his product? Shilazit?
No, his product is refurbished computer hardware.
Oh, refurbished computer and hardware. Okay.
It's second hand. You understand? It's not new.
Yeah, understand.
And so what he sells is second-hand parts for computer hardware. Sometimes he sells complete personal computers, but they are all refurbished. They have already had their best time, but he buys them in bulk. He buys a lot, and then he tries to sell one by one, like
Wow.
this.
Understand.
Yeah, and he was so happy. He was smiling yesterday. He was happy, really. He says, I get really good leads. So his spendings versus his income is very good, that ratio. Yeah, and I want something similar for our product. But let me try to make one good content for triggering people who might potentially want to use Silas.
We need to change our budgeting strategy, our location targeting strategy, and the working system. At first, we need to make a narrow audiences, especially those people those really need the Shilazit for their help.
Yeah, but sir, can you in the meantime tweak the current Meta Instagram ads? Because that's doing nothing.
Yeah.
So will you do that behind the scenes? Because at this moment nothing happens. And also, sir, I have mentioned this many times, but you say like, no, we go manual. They want to apply some automatic improvements.
The shopping campaign, right?
No, the
advanced-
campaign from
The advanced shopping campaign.
no, it's a campaign in Instagram.
Yeah, I understand. It's the automated shopping campaign.
Yeah, so maybe it will bring us leads, sir. If I get 1 or 2 leads, at least I have budget for more ads. Now the ads is not paying off.
Understand. Okay. So when you will be at your office?
In 10-15 minutes, I'm home, sir.
Okay, so I think today later we will have a meeting about the advertising structure of Meta and Google.
Okay, bro. In the meantime, I will try to work on these videos. Okay, the commercial videos. Yeah, I will let you know. But get in touch with me, okay, when you have time.
What time is it now in your country?
It's now 2 p.m.
2 p.m. and it's my 5. It's your 3 p.m. maybe.
No. 13:57. 1357.
Oh, okay. So here mine is afternoon and it's 5:57 p.m.
Okay. So it's 6 o'clock, right? You're 4 hours further.
Yeah.
When I back home, sir, I will do my prayer first, and then I will start with my plans.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, sir. We'll get in touch. Okay.
Okay, we'll be getting this. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.